I'm Tressa Brannon from Total Style Solutions, and today we're at Kings Row Formal Wear in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's talk about how to fold a button-down shirt. So you might get your shirt back from the cleaners hanging on a hanger, and then you need to travel and you want to make sure that it stays nice and wrinkle-free, or you like to just store your shirts not hanging up. Either way, so a button-down shirt, when you fold it, it helps to keep the collar shape and keep it from being wrinkle-free rather than just wadding it up and throwing it in the corner. You want to keep it nice, so keep your button-down shirts really nice. I actually love this type of tri-fold. It's a great look. This is how it's sold in the stores, in the packaging, because it keeps it wrinkle-free and keeps it nice and neat. So this is a great option, something I totally recommend. So you take your button-down shirt. The first thing that you do is make sure that it's nice and neat, and you button the first 3 buttons, and then every other button beyond that. So button the first 3 buttons. You take it and you put it face down on your table. The next thing you need is a magazine. And just about any magazine will work. You probably don't own a folding board. And so you'll see this in stores all the time. They have boards so they can fold them all nice and neat and they're even. So you take it and you just fold it right over. Then you take your sleeve and fold it in thirds over. Back again. And I recommend you get the wrinkles all out and get it nice and neat. And you don't want your sleeve to come over on the other side because then it'll just get creased in that corner. That won't be nice and neat. So folding it over. Now, you might be super duper neat and get it all nice and perfect. You might be like quick and hurry, rush kind of guy, whatever works for you. You take your shirt, you fold it up, and then you tuck under that end so it doesn't hang out. You pull out your magazine, and there you go. That's an option for how to fold a dress shirt. It's a little bit of extra work than just to fold it in half and half again, but it definitely keeps it wrinkle-free and it will keep your shirt in better quality and better repair. So this is what I would recommend that you do to fold your button-down shirts. And again, I'm Tressa Brannon from Total Style Solutions, reminding you to express your greatness.